The Cobra Killer. The 1960s roared with the birth of the Cheetah, a car specifically designed to beat the AC Shelby Cobra. Built by Bill Thomas, it was a powerful beast with a Corvette engine, lightweight, sleek, and ferocious. With base horsepower of 380 and a body 500 pounds lighter than the Cobra, it ran 0 to 60 in 6 seconds and had an estimated top speed of 170 miles per hour. It was a true predator. Thomas hoped for GM's backing. But despite its blistering performance, GM passed. Denied support, the Cheetah became a symbol of independent racing, forever remembered for its fleeting but feisty existence on the track. Today, these rare wild cats fetch upwards of $2 million. And one can't help but wonder how dominant the Cheetah would have been with the full backing of an automotive giant. With GM's resources and engineering prowess, could the Cheetah have rewritten automotive history, ruled the track, and truly killed the Cobra?